Hi everyone, it is Jan here from Jan Art. Welcome back to my channel. I am working on a 30 by 40 centimeter canvas. I'm doing a little swipe in a challenge that we have in Kathleen's Patron group. And my base coat is a mixture of Creative Inspirations Paynes Grey and the Pebeo Studio in the Iridescent blue black. And then the colors that I will be swiping are a mix of, it is Quinacridone Nickel Laser Gold from Golden Fluid, it is Iridescent Gold Deep Fine from Golden Fluids, then it is from Pebeo Studio, the Iridescent Blue Green, and then, excuse me, Amsterdam Yellowish Green, and then I'm also adding another Amsterdam in the Ultramarine. And then last but not least, I'll be using an Amsterdam Pearl Blue. And that is the colors that I'll be swiping. And I'll be swiping with two cell activators. So that is Arteza, Aztec Gold, and then Amsterdam Oxide Black. And they are mixed with Australian Floetrol. And this is a challenge, like I said, from Kathleen's Patron group, and we had to do a swipe, and that was the only instructions that we got. So this is my contribution. I'm just adding the base coat here, and then I'll be laying down the colors, and I'll be swiping them, and I'll be wrecking them with Ceramax chopstick. And then I'll be spinning it out on this spinner that I have from Winterstorm Art. And the final piece at the end, I'll be showing you some pictures of it varnished. I hope that you enjoy it, the video, and please don't forget to like and subscribe. Also, feel free to leave a comment for me. I will answer any questions or comments that you may have. And I just hope that you have a wonderful day and enjoy. Bye.
Let your body take control. You're on my mind, baby. Just move a little closer. And I say, oh, it's the night we'll both remember. Oh, sweet surrender. Oh, we're moving close together. Wanna make jumping through hoops, but I really don't care, man. I see through all of that. That's just your heart going loop-de-loop. Crazy good, crazy good. That's how our love's gonna be. Crazy good, crazy good. That's all love, believe you me. I'd like to be able to claim you, to put my flag on your ground, but that ain't so. No, honey, I don't wanna cage you, don't even wanna tame you. Just want you to say that you're mine.